What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and we're back with another unboxing video. Today we got the ZXI 6.4D high excursion 6.5 subwoofer. We're gonna open the box up, check out the sub, check out some specs, then we're gonna test it, do some flex videos and see what this bad boy can do. So let's start. Turn it around and we got manual, sticker, and here, let's put this down. ZXI 6.4D high excursion subwoofer. Check out this monster. What a beauty. This is a 6.5 inch, 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. 4 magnets. 300 watts RMS, 600 watts max power. It has 87 dB. I love the beefy surround. Real nice. Nice DS18 basket. Butt connectors. I love the dust cap, how it looks. It looks so mean. It looks so aggressive for a 6.5 inch subwoofer. It has a 1.5 inch voice coil. Yeah, I love the suspension. The spider looks amazing. Wow. This thing is impressive. Very impressive. 87 dBs. Foam surround. The gasket is real nice. Let's turn it around. Check that bad boy out. It's insane, guys. It's insane. 6.5 inch high excursion. 600 watts max. 4 plus 4 ohms, dual voice coil, ZXI 6.4D. We like it loud. It's insane. I love that DS18 basket. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. This is a pretty crazy sub. So, for those of you that don't have space, are looking for something small, tight spots, don't want a shallow sub, here it is. ZXI 6.5. Insane. Check this out. Check this out. Now, I'm going to take this sub to the other room. We're going to put some tones in it, see some flex videos to see what this thing could do. Stay tuned. Did you guys see that flex? Wow, this thing can take it like a champ. Well, you guys know what to do. If you're interested in checking this sub out, link will be posted down below. I'm Mr. DS18. Thank you guys for tuning in for the unboxing videos, and we like it loud.